In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your customers area, how to enter a contact's details, and how to set their email marketing permissions so you stay compliant and organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy, then open the official GoDaddy website. Make sure the address bar shows the legitimate GoDaddy domain before you continue. Sign in to your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your username to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything on your account. Find the website you want to work on and click Manage. That opens the Websites plus Marketing dashboard for that specific site, which is where the customer management tools live. On the left-hand sidebar, click Customers. This is your built-in contact manager. To make sure you're seeing everything, choose All. That puts you in the main contacts list and ensures any new entries will be easy to confirm later. Now select Add or Import New Contacts. If you're entering just a few people, use the Add option. If you already have a list in a spreadsheet, you can import it to save time. Just double-check your column mapping during the import so data lands in the right fields. For a single contact, start by entering their email address. Take a moment to verify spelling because this is the primary field GoDaddy uses for messages, receipts, and campaigns. Next, enter a phone number. Include the correct country code if you communicate internationally. Even if you don't plan to call or text, it's helpful for account records. Add the person's first name and last name. Accurate names improve personalization in emails and make searching and segmenting easier later on. Choose the appropriate email marketing permissions. Only mark a contact as opted in if you have explicit consent. Respecting permissions helps your deliverability and keeps you aligned with anti-spam rules. If you're unsure, leave them as not opted in until you confirm. When everything looks good, click Add and Close. Your new contact is saved and should now appear under All in your customers list. You can return to this contact anytime to edit details, add tags, or include them in a segment for future campaigns. That's it. You've navigated from login to product management, opened customers, added a contact with complete details, set the right permissions, and saved your changes.